Someone comes back from their karate class, they're very proud, they stand in front of the mirror, they've earned their green belt, and there they are, practicing their blocks, punches and strikes. They feel invigorated, they feel energized, they've earned their green belt, and now they need to think about studying for the next belt so they can train and practice for that, and they can stand in the mirror again, and they have the blue belt even more proudly. The point of this is that human beings like to see progress in themselves, and they like that progress acknowledged in some way. Now, this brings me to the point of self-targets and self-improvement. Supposing you wanted to eat less sugar and more fruit and vegetables and salads. Well, you can hope that that happens. You can carry on making little changes here and there and hoping it will happen. But there's nothing to signify progress, like a green belt. So what the idea is, you record what you eat and you measure so that the amount of sugar you've had today can be measured about against the amount of sugar you have tomorrow, so that you can see progress in your book, in a book that you keep, which seems tedious at first, but after a while becomes a habit and a useful way of looking back. And when you compare to yesterday or the week before or the month before, and you've accurately recorded the amount of cakes, biscuits and sweets you've had, you think, wow, I've managed to halve it. Real solid progress that you can see, nothing vague about it. And it's recorded in your diary, which only you will look at, and it gives you the same sense of pride when you come home and put on that green belt, which then becomes blue, then brown, then eventually black, because you're looking at, in the mirror, if you like, at each stage of your progress. If you have targets yourself for self-improvement, I wish you well in them.